Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific application 2026. So, the first thing that you are going to do here is to simply download the application on your mobile app, so you can get it from App Store or Play Store. And then after that, once you've opened it, you have these options at the bottom. We have Manage, Checked In, Help, and My Account. So you just have to tap on the Manage. Okay, and here you just have to tap on the manage booking. So here you um, just have to choose the flight that you want to manage your booking. Okay, so here you just have to enter the booking reference number and then the last name or the email address. So since we don't have any flight yet, so we cannot really proceed to the next phase, but still I'm going to discuss see what you're going to do next. So you just have to look for the add-ons or baggage or manage trip, and then you just have to tap it and select your preferred baggage allowance, commonly 20, 25, or more depending on your flight. So this option is available online and in app up to 2 hours before your departure. So you just have to choose and confirm the baggage, select how many kilos or pieces you need, then the app will automatically show the price. Just have to review it carefully before continuing. And then I just have to proceed to the payment using GCash, card, or other available methods. And once successful, you'll receive a confirmation and your baggage will be added to your booking. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.